There are different types of mediums, but I included very important mediums, very effective mediums, usually used by the experts. The first thing is search engine marketing and search engine optimization. So these two are major things because search engine medium is the top of the best medium than when compared to other mediums, because it is intent based medium, because it is like ask a friend. Search engines like Bing, Yahoo, these are all comes under search engines. The people will search in the search engines for their solutions. So you have to be in this medium to connect with more relevant customers. Search engines are very effective medium. You have to be in this medium, and the two important things in the search engines are, one thing is search engine marketing and second thing is search engine optimization. Search engine marketing is paid one. Search engine marketing includes Google ads, YouTube ads, and display ads or Gmail ads. These are all under comes under search engine marketing. If you do this marketing, you will reach more relevant customers by using keywords, by using relevant keywords. So, and search engine optimization includes blogs, content in the website, theme in the website, landing page, and optimizing the website page speed, and link building, on page and off page SEO. These are all comes under search engine optimization. If you do this properly, and you will be the top in the search engine, and you will get both website traffic and online sales. So this is the search engine medium, and the second thing is social media medium. So I recommend these three mediums are primarily used by the experts. First thing is Facebook, and second thing is Instagram, and third thing is LinkedIn. And Facebook marketing. So first thing is Facebook marketing in social media. Facebook having a lot of data of the billions of users are already hanging in the Facebook. So if you are in this medium, you will get this data, and you will do marketing in this medium. So the Facebook groups are the powerful thing to promote your business, whether whether by creating your own group, or you can promote your business using other groups. So Facebook group is the one of the powerful thing, and the Facebook page is the one of the asset to promote your business for new customers or to old customers. Old audience means the people who are watching your videos, liking your videos, or interacting with you for your videos. So you can grab new customers using lead generation ads. So you can promote or you can post in the Facebook in three formats: image format, text format, and video format. And you can also retarget your audience by using Facebook Pixel, or you can retarget audience who are already watching your videos or who already know your brand. You can retarget audience in the Facebook marketing. Instagram is like brother of Facebook. Using hashtags, you can reach more audience. You can reach more relevant users. Insta slideshows, Insta Reels, and Insta Live are the part of the Instagram. And Insta Shopping is the one of the best thing for online stores. If you have Insta Shopping, then you can promote your online store in this Insta Shopping. So you can run same ad for Insta and Facebook at the same time. So Insta is the one of the best thing after Facebook. LinkedIn Medium. LinkedIn is for high quality customers because here more professionals will hang here. So you have to connect with them by using high profile. You have to maintain high profile, and the LinkedIn articles, photos and videos and lives are the part of the LinkedIn. So LinkedIn ads are the best part for more connections, and you can do brand awareness using LinkedIn video ads. So YouTube is the second place for searching in the internet. If you have any solution, if you have any problem, you will go to YouTube after Google. So many influencers and affiliate marketers are already using YouTube for their livelihood. So YouTube is the best for brand awareness and personal branding. YouTube ads are useful for brand awareness and retargeting. So YouTube is the one of the best, and it is also intent based medium after search engine. And email medium, that means email marketing. Every person has emails today, so it may be personal email or it may be professional email. Everybody is maintaining email. So experts telling building email list means building business and sales. So you have to own email list using lead magnets. You have to nurture the emails with the follow-up emails. That means you have to nurture the leads with the follow-up emails. Automations are useful for your email marketing. So automation softwares like Zapier, these are all the latest automation softwares are already available in the market. You have to use these automation softwares for email sequences or for bulk emailing. You have to use automations for your better results. So this is all about different mediums. I suggest use every medium, be in the every medium, but choose three things, three best mediums, and then repurpose your content in every medium. After doing your content in three major mediums, you have to repurpose your content in rest of all your mediums. So this is all about different mediums in digital marketing. Sandeep signing off.